What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time dropping in, Tommy Kentner here. Today we got a few more parts in for the Midnight Purple STI VSpec. But first I wanted to remind you guys, we do have shirts in. And I think the guys that's already sent out their orders for the shirts and we've sent them out. So drop a picture on our Instagram or tag us and let us see those shirts. But we'll have more coming. This is Adrian's. So we got the R33 on there, and then this is just the shop shirt. And then, like I said, we got a Betty White shirt coming for the Betty White STI. And then we have a Midnight Purple shirt coming for the Midnight Purple R33. So today, guys, we are throwing the HKS exhaust on the Midnight Purple R33. And I think we got some downpipes too. So let's check this out. Oh, they look nice. You're gonna hear that rumble. Got to get those good RB sounds in. And then it comes to all the stuff from Japan. And then, as y'all know, we already had the Apexi on it. So we're going all the way up there.
Did you show them the holes that were in this exhaust when you got it?
Oh, yeah, we would have kept this exhaust because it does sound really good. But she's a little rusted out, boys. But other than that, it's good. Might get Josh to touch that up just in case somebody else wants it. If it don't blow it through it. But yeah. So Adrian's gonna get this off. And then we're gonna have some new rumblings. What you think? Overnight parts from Japan?
Yeah.
Cause I'm a Skyline boy. Just trying to make it. Alright guys, I'm gonna let him get to work, but look at all this good. And we got the burnt tip. What y'all know about that? Looking good. Alright guys, we got the stock downpipes out and the exhaust. Getting ready for the shiny new. But we had 2 bolts break. So we're gonna have to get those out and then go from there.
Me here alone. You don't pick up the phone. I'm not your enemy. So what do you want from me? Say what you gotta. It really don't matter. It really don't matter to me. Run, baby, run away. Sick and tired of the games and you don't know what to say. For me once, for me twice, and apologize. And not again, won't give in. I'm not playing nice. No, run, baby, run away. You paid the debt for me. I'm not who I thought you'd be. Don't need your permission. Tired of existing inside of this prison. Run, baby, run away. Sick and tired of the games that you don't know.
Adrian's a Skyline boy.
HKS boy.
HKS boy.
Trying to make it. Gotta put the cap back on.
Right.
I don't want to go to jail.
Right. Got to stay agency friendly.
Huh?
Got to stay agency friendly.
Yeah. This will be the last time you'll see the underside of this car.
Yeah. We won't show it anymore after this video.
Got that stock catalytic converter.
We got to stay EPA friendly. Yep.
Lube rubber.
Lubrication is your friend.
Lube rubber. Lube of threads, because this one didn't have a rubber.
Right. Oh yeah, guys. And it also comes with Nismo upper and lower control arms. Because it's a Nismo car. Just trying to make it. Got those Meisters on there from the UK. If Fortunato happens to see this video, we'll take a set of those coilovers for the 33.
Don't piss them off. They need to send them out.
Well, we already paid for yours, so those are in the mail.
His arms are cool, but not as cool as the GK Tech ones I just got.
Yeah, I agree. Don't worry, we're gonna swap those out.
All right, you gotta put the camera down.
I do.
Yeah.
But the people want to see this.
I mean, if you want scratches in your bumper and
No,
stuff,
I
that's
don't
fine.
want. All right, we'll be back with it posted. Oh.
It's not a big tip. You're trying to make up for something.
Nope. It's slow. It's stock. But it looks good though.
It's not really stock anymore.
Huh?
It's not really stock anymore.
It's stock.
So is mine.
Yeah. All right, Adrian's gonna let it down, and we gonna fire it up.
Lift up right on the side.
You wanna fire it up?
We go live and fire.
Guys, look how good this looks. It goes really nice with that midnight purple. What you think?
Matches that license plate now.
Right. Got that incognito license plate too. You can't catch it on camera. All right, first start, guys. Alright guys, we let it warm up just a little bit more. Give you a few more revs, and we're going to take it to lunch too to get some driving videos. Hit them with the revs. Alright guys, it sounds really nice. It's not too loud, but I think once we get out on the road and it actually breaks in the exhaust, because that's what you were seeing, a little bit of smoke. So it's cleaning all that out. But we're going to take it on the road, see what it sounds like out on the road, and then we'll go from there. Be like, what you know about that? Boom. Alright. Well, we can't use that because we're listening to exhaust. But you got to show it off. Alright, you ready to go to lunch? Alright guys, it does sound better. The turbo noises do come in sooner with the downpipes. And you can actually really hear them now. Oh yeah, she got a little more power, baby, a little more power. Alright guys, we're back at the shop. Got that HKS tip looking good. Thank y'all guys for joining in. It was a fun day. If you like the new exhaust and downpipes install, we got more coming for the GT-R. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Let us know if y'all want any t-shirts. We'll probably have shirts coming for this too. Let me know in the comments if y'all want one. And we'll catch you in the next episode. Peace.